Alright, welcome back from our previous sessions. In this particular video, I want to show you how you can completely be anonymous on the internet space, right? So if you're using your web browser to see the internet and you do not want someone to uncover your location, you can actually do this by downloading first the Tor browser that allows you to do, hidden things on the internet space. So just visit your web browser, which is maybe your Chrome or Firefox. Download this Tor browser. See. So once you download the Tor browser, we just have to go over the configuration, and then you are good to go. See, in my own case, I've already downloaded the Tor browser. So click your download. After the download, go to your directory where it is downloaded, whether it's your downloads or your document or wherever it is, and then just double click to install it. After installation, just search for browser TOR this way, and then launch it. When you launch it, it opens up this page for you for the first time. Now the next thing you are going to do, click here to set it up. Go to settings. When you go to settings, let's see what we can do. It's opening. Okay, so the next is to go to privacy and security. So click on privacy and security. Scroll down. Let's do some settings that will allow the anonymous. Right, so under the security, you can see saver. So we need to change this. Now, initially, when you're going to be on the normal standard, here it's going to be on normal standard. So take it from normal start to saver. This is better. If you want to be, if you want some scripts like cookies and all that not to actually show up, that's when you put it on the surface. But for now, leave it here and then click on save and restart. Now, once you're done with that, scroll down again. This is very important to block deceptive content, all right, so that you will not click on a link in order for your location to be revealed. So in I'm actually talking about your cookies as well. They place cookies on a website so that your location can actually be uncovered and all that. But with this blocking of the dangerous and deceptive content, is going to make you to evade that. So block this dangerous deceptive content, block dangerous downloads, and then warn you about unwanted and common websites. So check these boxes, and then once you're done with that, I think we are cool with that. Just that's all. Once you are cool with that, your Tor browser should restart itself. After the restarting, right, now go home, go back to home, or you go to connection, right? Connection, if I don't want to set up the bridge at the moment, bridge to network, but for now I don't want that, so let's go back to home, and then from the home, you could actually open a terminal, like a new tab. Once you open up the new tab, we can now type in, look at this, we have ionized, so meaning that it's searching with DuckDuckGo. So you can actually change this to whatever search engine that you want to use. You can check this ionized, all right? And then from here, once you're done with that, you can type